World Environment Day Kamari Leinana Ngasi District Legal Service Authority Dlsa Bishnupur observation of World Environment Day 5 June 2026 PALAN TOUKHRE. Thoramaduda Samom Ibjen Chairman District Legal Service Authority Dlsa Bishnupur, Vineshwari Maibam Secretary District Legal Service Authority Dlsa Bishnupur, Rashri Yambem Judicial Magistrate First Class JMFC Bishnupur, Madam Lata Devi President Bar Council Bishnupur, Y Ramananda Singh Chief Legal Aid Defence Council Bishnupur, TI Sudhir Maitai Deputy Legal Aid Defence Council Bishnupur Pumnamakna Court Complex cha Uchar Kaya Thaki. Thoromasida Chairman Samom Ibjen District Legal Service Authority Bishnupur, Secretary Bineshwar Maibam District Legal Service Authority Bishnupur, President Madam Lata Devi Bar Council Bishnupur, Y Ramananda Singh Chief Legal Aid Defence Council and TH Sudhir Maitai Deputy Legal Aid Defence Council Bishnupurna President Member Oina Daista Famki. Thoromasida Samom Ibjen Chairman District Legal Service Authority Bishnupurna World Environment Day Karamna Pangthokpa Hauraki Amadi Miyoi Baikoi Punsida Environment Fahanbana Haibadi Atmosphere Fahanba Haibasi Yam Darka Lai Haina Fundoki. Thoromasida Bar Council Bishnupur ki member Singh Panel Lawyer Bishnupur Front Office Amadi Court ki staff Dlsa ki staff Pumna Magna Sarugyaki.